Hey guys, it's Marla. Hopefully everybody's doing well. I just wanted to show you a quick tip I use to get root lift. This is my hair right out of the shower. You can see it is fairly straight. What I like to do is I like to put on some type of air dry cream. The one I'm using right now is the one from Kenra, or you could also use the creams that they sell for heat protection. I think Kenra also has one of those. I'm going to list both of these down in my description box. And all I do is I scrunch this all into my hair, specifically focusing on my root area. And then right before I go to bed, I use these clips that I'm showing you, and I don't curl my hair or twist my hair. All I do is grab some hair and kind of pull it up and lift it. I think you can see me doing this right now. So I just kind of grab some hair and then push it up a little bit to get a little bit of fullness at the crown. And I'm going to do that all around the top of my head, and then I am going to sleep on that, and you are going to be surprised at how much body I get right at the root when I wake up in the morning. So those are all the clips I use, and now I am going to go to bed and I will show you what my hair looks like the next day. Okay, this is me the next day. You can see the areas I don't have any clips are very straight. And what I normally do is I just gently take the clips out all over my head and then use a curling iron just on some of the straight pieces by my face. And you will be shocked at how much body I got just by doing that to the top of my hair with that Kenra air dry cream. So this is my hair. All this body in curl just from putting some of those clips in the root area. I didn't even have to put my hair in pin curls. My hair looks super, super thick by doing that. It almost looks like a wig in the back. If you look at it, it gives me so much body. So when I want a little bit of curl and fullness on my bob, that is all I have to do. I hope you enjoyed seeing my tip of the day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.